where we dive deep into the world of innovation, smart technology, and the latest devices shaping our digital future. Today's spotlight shines on the DJI Neo2, a drone that has already begun stirring excitement in the aerial imaging community. From hobbyists to professional filmmakers, the buzz around this rumored device is impossible to ignore. What makes the Neo2 such a hot topic is its positioning in the mid-range drone segment, an area that's becoming more competitive with every release. DJI seems determined to shake up expectations once again. The skies, quite literally, are on the edge of transformation, with whispers of cinematic-grade stabilization, advanced AI autofocus tracking, ultra-long flight endurance, and next-generation connectivity. This drone could become a defining force in 2025. So the question is, does the DJI Neo2 truly live up to the mounting hype, or is this another round of flashy marketing? Let's break down the possibilities, from design and build, quality to camera innovation, intelligent safety systems, and price positioning. Design and build, portability meets strength. DJI has long understood that drone creators value both performance and portability. The Neo2 is rumored to showcase a sleek, foldable chassis, much like the Mavic series, but with a more refined look. Some speculation suggests a carbon composite build, giving the drone a lightweight frame that still holds up in tough conditions like high winds or rugged travel. What makes this design particularly appealing is the balance between professional-grade stability and ultra-compact convenience. Travel vloggers, wedding videographers, and outdoor adventurers all want gear that doesn't weigh them down. If DJI nails this balance, the Neo2 could become the go-to travel drone for creators in 2025. Camera and imaging innovations. Professional quality in your backpack. One of the most talked about aspects of the DJI Neo2 is its rumored 1-inch CMOS sensor, which could deliver 2024 MP stills and record 5.4K video at 60 FPS. That immediately places it in the realm of serious content creators who want near-professional results without lugging around bulky rigs. If DJI includes features such as adjustable aperture control for precise exposure management, 10-bit D-Log and HLG color profiles for post-production flexibility, high dynamic range for cinematic depth and highlights, and shadows low light optimization for twilight or sunrise shots, the Neo2 would easily rival more expensive drones like the Air 3 and potentially even compete with flagship models. This is about more than just resolution. It's about cinematic storytelling. Imagine capturing smooth aerial pans at golden hour with rich colors that don't require hours of correction and editing. For YouTube creators, travel vloggers, and independent filmmakers, this drone could be a creative powerhouse. Flight performance and powertrain. Built for endurance, flight performance has always been a deciding factor for drone buyers. Reports suggest the DJI Neo2 may come with a new high-efficiency propulsion system, reaching speeds of up to 60 mph while maintaining steady control. But what really stands out is the rumored 40-minute flight time. For context, most mid-range drones hover around 30 minutes, with only top-tier drones pushing beyond that. A 40-minute endurance level means longer filming sessions without constant battery swaps, more flexibility for adventure and travel shoots, less interruption when recording live events like concerts, weddings, or sports combine that with quieter propellers, and improved stability, and the Neo2 could redefine the user experience for both professionals and hobbyists. Transmission and connectivity. Expanding horizons, connectivity is the backbone of a smooth flying experience. The Neo2 is rumored to introduce OcuSync 4.0, capable of transmitting HD video up to 15 kilometers with ultra-low latency. This kind of reach and stability makes it an excellent option for professional drone pilots working in open fields, large events, or even mountainous terrains. Add in Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, and you have a drone that's truly future-ready. These integrations would allow instant pairing with controllers and devices, live firmware updates over the air, seamless live streaming directly to YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook. This feature makes the Neo2 especially attractive to content creators and live broadcasters who can bring real-time aerial footage to their audiences with zero hassle. Remote control and usability, simplifying the experience. Another area generating buzz is the possible introduction of a new controller with a built-in touchscreen display. Unlike earlier models that required pairing with a smartphone, this design would give pilots a dedicated device optimized for flying. Expectations include customizable button layouts for personal flying styles, ergonomic grips for long usage, extended controller battery life to match the drone's 40-minute flight duration for beginners. This means easier setup. For professionals, it's about precision and convenience. DJI has always pushed the envelope in usability, and the Neo2 may set a new gold standard. Safety and intelligent flight. Smarter skies. Safety is one area where DJI consistently outshines its competition. The Neo2 is rumored to feature omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, supported by AI-driven algorithms. This could revolutionize flight confidence, even in crowded or complex environments. Key features may include Active Track 5.0 for precise subject tracking, master shots and point of interest, updates for creative automated sequences, intelligent return to home that calculates the safest route in real time for professionals. These features reduce risks during commercial projects. For beginners, they add peace of mind, knowing the drone can avoid collisions and return safely. Price and market positioning. A strategic move. DJI has always been clever about pricing, and the Neo2 looks set to continue that trend. With estimates placing it between $1,200 and $2,500, the drone is positioned smartly between the Mini 4 Pro, $899, and the Air 3, $649. This strategic middle ground makes the Neo2 appealing to a wide range of buyers. Budget-conscious hobbyists seeking advanced features without breaking the bank, semi-professionals wanting to upgrade from entry-level drones, content creators who need premium performance at a competitive price if executed correctly. The Neo2 could dominate the mid-tier drone market in 2025. Real-world applications. Beyond spec sheet, specs are exciting, but the true magic lies in how people will use the Neo2. Picture these scenarios. Travel vloggers documenting journeys, with cinematic sweeps over city skylines and mountain ranges. Wedding videographers capturing unforgettable aerial shots during ceremonies and receptions. Adventure explorers filming extreme sports and landscapes without worrying about short battery life. Content creators live streaming directly to their communities in real time. By blending portability, endurance, and cinematic capability, the Neo2 could unlock new possibilities for storytelling across multiple industries. Closing thoughts. A new chapter in drone technology. The DJI Neo2 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drone releases of 2025. By combining cinematic imaging, long flight endurance, reliable connectivity, and intelligent flight systems, DJI may have created the perfect bridge between beginner-friendly drones and flagship professional models. If these rumors prove true, the Neo2 won't just be another release. It could redefine the best drone for creators, vloggers, and professionals who want top-tier performance without paying top-tier prices. If you found this deep dive helpful, make sure to smash that like button, leave your questions below, and share how you'd personally use the Neo2 for your projects. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated with the latest tech trends.